Tips and tricks for a great camping trip. When camping, there is no heating, air conditioning or kitchen. Therefore, you need to plan your adventure thoroughly ahead of time. Use this video to get some ideas down for what you should think about when going camping. If you are traveling with children, give them the opportunity to assist you when you get to the campground. They can carry gear, support you as you set up the tent and look for firewood. Not only will it keep them busy and out of trouble, it will be fun for them as well. Always take more water than you think you will use when you go on a camping trip. Many times, people forget how much water is needed. It is used for drinking, washing dishes and hands, cooking and even brushing your teeth. Water is not something you want to be without. Use separate coolers for perishables, ice and drinks. While it does not matter if the perishables and drinks go into the same one, make sure to pack your ice separately. This will keep the temperature down so that you will have ice for much longer than you would have otherwise. Read up on your medical insurance. You may need to purchase additional coverage if you will be camping in another state. That can be even more important when you plan to travel across international borders. Make sure you have prepared yourself, just in case of an accident. Camping is a one-of-a-kind experience where you put aside many of your daily comforts to enjoy nature around you. Some find it desirable while others find it hard. It is a vacation, so you want to go prepared so you can spend more time relaxing while you are camping. This video gave you plenty of tips, so keep them in mind. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.